Since the dawn of civilization, mankind has strived to understand the world around them. Various different attempts have been made in various fields. Some of the first to try to understand chemical changes at the micro level and atomic theory were the ancient Greeks, specifically a Greek thinker called Democritus of Abdera. Democritus lived from 460 BC to 370 BC, just when Greek scientists were starting to explore and understand what matter is composed of. Democritus's idea was that matter is composed of small, indestructible particles that could not be divided or cut into a smaller form. In addition, he theorized that the particles, while uniform throughout, could be of various size, shape, and mass. He called these indivisible particles atomos, which later evolved to become today's word for atomic particles, atoms. This was a large leap forward for the pagan alchemists around these times who believed that everything, and I mean everything, was composed of the four basic elements from the last airbender: water, earth, fire, and air. While Democritus's idea of fundamental building blocks of matter is not too far from reality, his model was, rather than having the nucleus with protons and neutrons and an electron orbital cloud, he envisioned the base atom as a uniform sphere that was eerily similar to the modern donut hole. Due to the lack of any decent instruments, he could not see how inaccurate his model was. To make matters worse for poor Democritus, his atomic model was rejected by many other important figures of his time period, such as the famous Aristotle. In conclusion, Democritus's ideas, while on the right track, were not completely scientifically sound. He basically assumed on multiple details, and could not conjure of anything more complicated than a simple sphere for his base model. Either way, we owe him for the foundations of atoms he set in his time, and for all the advancements we have made based on his work.